Let me also quickly bring in headlines today's Shiv Arur for that 500 crore rupee makeup that is being makeover that is being talked about for Rahul Gandhi. Shiv, what is it that the Congress party intends to do to project Rahul Gandhi at this stage?
Well, Gaurav, obviously the challenges before the Congress party as far as Rahul Gandhi are concerned are absolutely enormous, and the information that we're getting in right now is two-pronged. One, of course, is the specific question that you just asked about this huge public relations drive that the Congress is going to be investing in. The other is the dynamics of the Priyanka Gandhi factor, her being involved in that meeting where senior leaders have been present, her as a possible election strategist, whether she will take any decisions that go beyond, the actual, Gandhi bastions, or will it be, in a larger role? Because remember, sources and our political team, which has reported on this story throughout and the most accurately, has always held that Priyanka Gandhi does not intend to have a direct role in the elections in terms of fighting as a candidate. But given the very precarious political situation as far as Rahul Gandhi's image is concerned, Gaurav, and that's a question that you just asked me, I think the Congress is pulling out all the stops, trying to make sure it activates every last resource it possibly can. The campaign to, convince Priyanka Gandhi to take a more direct role has been a very loud one for a long time.